Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. I was cleaning up, found this log on the ground, so I just figured I'd throw it on the mill and cut a quick 6x6 out of it, if I can get one. It's kind of small at this end, but 5 minutes we should see. It is 16 foot long, so it's a little bit of a challenge. A lot easier. It's just a maple. It's just white, bright white wood. What I did there, I cut that a 1/4 inch oversize. That way, if it's not, if the beam bowed or anything, I'd be able to at least level out a 1/4 inch of that. Well, kind of running out of log to get a 6x6, and it has sandy feels now. It may look small, but it's heavy. Log there, plane there. Right here is where it goes. I could take more off the other side if this works, so I'm going to go through at 6.5. So I cut that at 6.5 so I could flip it over and take another 1/2 inch off the other side, because I didn't take much off that side. It's pretty skimpy. So there is going to be some wane. Nothing I can do about that. If I want 6x6, true 6x6. Oh yeah. Ha, didn't even have to cut it. Nice 1/2 inch board. Sticks back. Don't really need it for this skinny little thing. Alright, let's bring you guys down and let you see. Okay, so first off, you can see I got the pith centered. So that worked out well at this end. We'll check the other end too. And then it's just really white maple. I don't know what kind of maple it is. I think it's a sugar maple. I don't know. It's a tree. Remember there was a tree right there? You know where I run the sawmill here? There's that little tree, but there was another tree. Well, I took that out so I can fill in with rock. This is that tree. So yeah, nothing goes to waste. It's actually kind of pretty. See my shadows hitting it. And then the pith at this end. A little bit below center, but really close. Within half an inch of center, I'd say. So there we go. 16 foot. Actual 6x6. If I had taken it down to 5.5 by 5.5, I could have gotten rid of a lot of this wane, but for what I'm going to use it for, it won't matter. I'll set logs on it or something like that, you know. Use it for the sawmill shed that we make, along with those beams. Check these out. 21 footers. There's a 12 by 12 and two 2 by 12s, 21 foot long. That'll make nice for the sawmill shed. So that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow with more, so that'll be in this video too. So stick around. That's cold.